In this video of Back to Basics, we will be going over how you can best manage your time. Calendar, agenda, daily planner. One thing these objects all have in common is that you use them to fill out your day, week, and month. By filling out how your day, week, or month might go, you can better see when you will need to study or just when you have free time. Take your time into both your hands by writing out what events you have going on. You can better prepare for them and decide if you have enough time for anything else. When you have a project or paper coming up, it is easiest to accomplish when setting goals. Let's take that history paper that's due in 3 weeks, for example. On a paper or planner, take the weeks, and during each one, make individual goals. For the first week, you'll work towards a first draft. Second week, second draft. And by the third week, you'll have your third draft done, or just be completely done with your paper. At what time are you the most focused, most ready to take on the world? Whether day or night, the time that you are most alert should be when you are working on that difficult math problem, not watching TV. Manage your study time. Cramming the night before is far less effective than studying throughout the week. Just take your time, study for 30 to 50 minutes, then give yourself some time to relax, maybe even a 10 to 15 minute study break. Now, what was I talking about? In case you forgot, or just weren't listening, paying any attention, I talked about ways you can manage your time and when it is best to study and stay on top of your schedule.